Okay, so hi dear Leo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 17 till the 23rd of Feb. Rules can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have a personal reading or healing session? You can check out the description box, you will find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe for Oponopono, masterclass link is given below, and this is life changing. I'm doing it from a very very long time now, trust me on that. I'm really doing it from a very long time now. Let's see, Leo. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. Okay, so we have the Sun card, the Hermit, and the Knight of Wands. So this person is feeling with each passing day, they are getting more and more clearer about whatever they did in the situation was very immature. Now this person is feeling like doing something about the situation in a positive way, coming towards you with some kind of stable energy, because they were highly unstable, highly on and off, in and out of the situation, and they feel like coming towards you with a mature, with a changed, with that kind of energy of, okay, I have completely changed now. I know what I did was wrong, and these kind of energy. So this person is feeling like they should come forward towards you with a mature, grounded and healed kind of energy, and give you a very very positive kind of deal on the table. Let me pause for a second. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Lovers, the Fool, the Eight of Cups. See, they want you back, right? They just want you back, but they want you back in a very very positive way, in a very very mature and grounded way. Like, if they want you back, if you also want them back, this is the story here. If you don't want them, it's like they just want to keep moving ahead in their life and never look back. Maybe it's like they want to test the waters with you, if you are on the same page with them, if you also like them the way they like you, and if you also want the stable kind of energies that they are ready to give you, because now they are a changed kind of a version of themselves. Now they are healed kind of a version of themselves, or at least they're trying to say so. Either they want it all with you or they want nothing with you. That is the deal here. They don't want that on and off, in and out, or just a friendship kind of a deal, or we are together, we are not together kind of a deal. No, it's like, if you want them, they also want you. If not, they are ready to move ahead and never look back. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 23rd of Feb. Let's see what we have. We have the King of Cups, the Ten of Swords, the World card. Oh god. So Leo, no matter how much this person is full of love with you, there was some kind of ugly breakup or separation, or something happened in the situation where both of you know this is not recoverable. Okay, this can't be recovered whatsoever, right? And this person knows it very very well. Just give me a second, I'm about to sneeze. Okay, so it's like, yeah, even if they're feeling a lot of love here, even if they're feeling like you guys should come back together, they know the losses and the situation, the way it ended, it's something that's never going to be recovered, or something that's never going to be going back to the normal kind of a stage whatsoever. So I don't see this person doing anything about it. They're just planning and plotting in their mind only, talking to themselves only about the situations, and end up doing nothing about it, because they know it's impossible kind of a deal. For you, the guidance here is Nine of Cups. Definitely you should do whatever makes you happy. Your wish fulfillment, your happiness should be your number one priority, but don't overindulge in anything. Maybe, let's say you are overworking, you are becoming a workaholic day by day, because that keeps you happy, that keeps you, you know um, in yourself. But overdoing anything is going to kill this happiness sooner than you are realizing right now. Okay, whatever you are doing to make yourself happy, to keep yourself happy, please keep on doing that, but don't overdo anything, otherwise you're going to kill that happiness very soon. And don't wait for this person to show up in your life and put your life on hold for whatever reason, because they are not coming, at least for the time being they're not. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.